Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to log out of Instagram on all devices. If you want to log out of your Instagram account on all devices, you can follow these steps. First of all, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on setting and privacy. In setting and privacy, you can see here account center. Tap on it and scroll down. Tap on passport and security. Under passport and security, you can see here where you are logged in. Tap on it. Select your Instagram account. In this page, you can see here you are currently logged in on these devices. Tap on select device to log out. After that, tap on select all. In the bottom you can see here logout. Tap on it. That's it, you have now logged out of your Instagram account on all devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.